With the national education policy right here and passed by the cabinet ministry, doors have opened up. And there are many careers that we are talking of. But when we are talking about a career, we need to ask a few questions to ourselves. What is our passion? Because the passion keeps changing. What is our passion? What are we good at? Would we like to stick on to what we are good at and also have a passion? If both are matching, you are really, really, good at what you're doing. But sometimes, maybe your passion is something and you're good at something else. So it doesn't match.
We generally are now in an era, and I think I loved your example of when we were in the schools, the career choices where either you become an engineer or you become a doctor. I went and become a chartered accountant, which is almost similar to that. That was the third option, actually. I was saying that given a choice, I would have become an Air Force pilot, actually. But then at that time, there was hardly anything to do. So now, obviously, the world is a different place. And we have got so much of career choices, so much of what we call modern new career. And still we have got the traditional careers like becoming a lawyer or engineer or a doctor or a CA for the matter. I think you mentioned about COVID-19 and its influence. I think is very important because the students actually right now are living in a strange dilemma, and their career choice will be very difficult. If you take an example that those who want to sit for the IIT joint entrance, the exam dates are getting postponed every time. Now it's September, but I also personally don't think it will be in September. So they don't know what to do really. That's one part of that uncertainty. And the second part of it is that there is so much of new innovative career also. So it's quite interesting because on one side you have got a little bit of uncertainty, little bit of challenging situation where you are not sure what will going to happen even tomorrow morning or after 2 months, after 6 months, how long the COVID will carry on, how long the college and universities will be shut, how long this online classes, I call it LOC. LOC is not line of control, is lockdown online classes. So how long this LOC will carry on? This all put us into a kind of very strange, uncertain kind of situation, especially if you are 18-year-old and just out of the board exam. I think that we need to really think very critically and very innovatively. And instead of actually going through the general thing like engineering or medicine or BA, BCom, there are many courses which are very interesting. For example, hospitality, which I am one of the person working in hospitality for the last 30 years. And right now, the travel industry, tourism industry, like many industry, is a little bit of turbulence. But I'm sure that hospitality is one industry that will really become very big again, because people will travel, people will dine out, people will go for holidays. And in India, one of the biggest revenue of the hospitality industry are weddings. And the big fat Indian weddings all happen in the tourist destination, all happen in the 5-star hotel. And so this is going to come back big way. So I think hospitality is one career which is also vocational, at the same time very strategic. And then we have got a lot of careers which are like a new age career, something like data science, cyber security. And then you have got new age career like content writer. Like when I say content writer, I mean the digital content writer, which is so different from the traditional journalist. So it's actually they're in great demand, content writers who write for digital. And then, of course, you have got people like YouTubers. So I think so much of new age career are coming in. we are in for a very exciting future for the youngster. We should look for more exciting career than only those traditional career. We should come out of that and look out of the box. In fact, I tell the student that there is no box. There's no question of out of the box because there is no box at all anymore. Whatever you think, you can do it today with the help of technology.
Dr. Bose is, he's the king of this hospitality industry. But today, Dr. Bose, with your permission, I will say I have given your example in a previous talk on careers, and I've mentioned that Dr. Bose now dabbles in career guidance. Okay, he's now the edu guy, okay, the edu guy who helps people to choose careers. How did he manage to do this? Because he has been able to transfer his skills in different areas. So we are talking about people who are multifaceted, multi-talented. There are students, young boys and girls who are listening. You are good in many things. And, many a times you ask, which one should I choose? Because I'm good at this and I'm good at that. Okay, I am telling you, ask yourself 2 questions. What is your interest? Who are you? That is a question that each of you will have to ask yourself. And that will happen when you dabble in different things. Our national education policy is saying that. Have multidisciplinary approach in learning and teaching. Have multidisciplinary approach in developing skills. Skills that are transferable. You can do more than one thing. In our society, if you look around, you have an established doctor who's a good debater, a good author. So, which means in an uncertain world, you need to have multidisciplinary skills. You cannot say, I can only do this. You need to have many other skills. So it is okay. You try different things. And that brings me to my next part. What if I fail? What if I don't do too well? It's all right. It's all right. You try the next thing and you will do it better than the first one or the previous one. So try different areas and experiment with your skills. What I am doing, why is it I'm doing that? What I do, why do I do? What I do, why do I do? Am I happy doing it, number one? And what I do, does it make others happy? Am I only earning my bread and butter, or am I also helping others to taste the butter or the bread of life? These are very important questions that you need to ask yourself.